In this video, I want to show you how to enter screencast, screen recording and screenshot settings on Pico VR headset. And to do this, we'll need to open our quick settings, navigate to normal settings and open general. Here scroll down till you see screencast recording and screenshot, open it, and here you can change any settings including the single eye view, FOV scale, receive screenshot from external drives, screenshots to external drives, resolution for screen recording, and screenshots include microphone audio in recording and keep recording when the screen is off, single eye view for recording and screenshot. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.